Hello, welcome back to Call Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. Back to school always prompts me to start thinking about things much differently, and one of those that I thought of as I was cleaning out the pounds of sand that had collected in my car from summer was car organization. I've looked at videos before and I really have found some amazing ideas on there, so I put together a little compilation as well as some things I've come up with on my own, but without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's a couple quick things in my car that I've been doing. This was my oldest's idea. So I hate it when my keys hit my knee when I'm driving. It literally drives me crazy. And one day, my oldest said, "Hey, why don't you put a command strip there?" And I always have one of these carabiner clips so that I can easily attach it to my backpack or in my purse because I hate searching for my keys. So with that, I just hook it on here and no more bouncing on my knees. Another thing that I have, my car doesn't have a lot of little storage. I used to have a Toyota and it had a little section over here where I could keep gum and lip gloss and chapstick. So I just bought one of these little cup holders, and I got this at Walmart a couple of years ago, and it's meant to go over a knob, but cars don't have knobs anymore that you can really hang things from. So I just got a little binder clip and I attached it to the vent, and it has been working just fine. It's been there for about 3 years now, but this way I can get my ibuprofen, I've got my gum handy, my lip gloss, my chapstick, and I'm always running to the bank and clipping things together. I usually stash a couple of little paper clips right inside here so I have them accessible. So storage in your car really needs to match what you need. The most important thing I want to say about cars is, you guys, I can't stress the importance of truly being hands-free. So this little device right here, I don't have a way of showing you because I film on my phone, but on the back of my phone right here, between the case that protects it and my phone, I have a little magnet, and that magnet allows this, you're not going to be able to see, bunk, but it just immediately attaches and sits there. So while I'm driving, it doesn't move around. I can see it if I'm using it for GPS. If somebody sends me a quick text message, I can just tap the screen and answer with microphone. But you guys, please be safe. I don't want to lose any of you to an accident or have you hurt. So this is an option that's in my store. The one that I had previous to this was flat and didn't have any adjustment on the side. That was actually my favorite. This one is a new one that I used, and while I like that I can move it up and down, I actually dislike that I have to tighten it all of the time. But if you have a big car and there's something that this can rest on, it's really a preference. But getting you a hands-free device for your phones, please invest in one so that you can stay safe. The next area I wanted to show is my glove box. There are so many great ideas with people using organizers like this. So there are lots of different containers. I've seen people use notebooks. I've seen people use the coupon holders. There's also these little bags that you can find through Amazon. But whatever you need to store the items that you keep in your glove box, I only have the book that came, my insurance, and then the car came with discs because this is an old car. The car came with CD discs for when you're navigating, but I also have a Garmin in case I ever lose signal so that it has preloaded maps on there that are more current. So that's my glove box, nothing fun in there. The only other area that I have in my car is my little console, and there's, again, so many great ideas. I just used a little envelope sorter that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have a cup because, again, this is my working vehicle. So when I'm with a client, I seem to always need glue, or I need Sharpies, I need little Post-it notes. So this is my go-to area. This is my favorite idea for coins. I keep all of my change in an empty Mentos container so that if somebody does break into my car, they don't know that's filled with money. They think it's just gum. And when I do need it for a parking meter, I know exactly where it is and I can easily access it quickly. I have a couple of clients that I maintain on a regular basis, so I have their keys right here so that if I need them, I can get in quickly. And my youngest eats a little bit of food with her ketchup, so I always make sure to have ketchup accessible, and then a couple of little snacks for me in case I get hungry. But everything in here is super easy to grab, and then I can put it right back when I need to. So organizing your console, again, is just about the easy accessibility for your space. Okay. Please tell me you find this funny. So I'm out here recording this and I hear crying, constant crying, because someone, Domino, knows if Mommy's in the car doing something that he might get to go for a ride. So to make him happy, we just brought him in the car. Stay there, buddy. Okay, the other thing that I have is this little high road car organizer. This was something that came with the car when we bought it used, and it works really well in the back seat. It just clips over the headrest, but the kids can store lots of different things in the sections. However, the other thing I wanted to talk about in the back seat, I wish I had known about these little suction cup options that are normally for showers and sink areas. This would have helped us travel so much to have something that the kids could easily have access to. What we ended up doing when my kids were little is I used these DVD cases. This would have been an amazing idea. Not that it wouldn't have stopped them from dropping things though. You can also use one of those shoe organizers, and you guys know I like those a lot, but the shoe organizer can just hang here, and even though it's long, you can cut it off at the bottom so it just fits the length that you need. And you can also hang it on the other side behind the seat like this, so that you have plenty of storage space within the back, which leads me to your cargo area. This is my favorite idea, and I don't remember the gal's name, but I will find her video and link it down below, because I thought this was the most genius thing ever and it got me excited to do this video. So I ran to the Dollar Tree and I bought 8 of these essential collapsible storage containers, and you guys, they come in a ton of colors, so it should match whatever decor you have in your car or whatever color scheme. But mine is carpeted, so these do not slide at all. They stay put. So if you have one of those slippery cargo protectors down here that are made out of hard plastic, you can get that foam grip shelf liner from the Dollar Tree and lay that between your totes and your cargo mat, and they won't slide around. But here's the crazy thing that I really like about these. You can get as many as you need that will custom fill your space, but if you're bringing something in and you need to change this configuration real quick, you just make them whatever size you need, and then you have a big open area. Or if you don't need them, they collapse really easily. I mean, really easily, and they can just store away. So you can put these away and just pull them out when you need them, and they set up within seconds and then can go right back into place. So check these out. I was so impressed with this idea for organizing things in your car. I love the aesthetic of it. To me, it looks like these were meant to be in my car all along, but they have made it so easy for me. We go roller skating a lot. We can each drop our pair of roller skates in and they don't go sliding around. When I go to the grocery store especially, this has become a really nice, convenient way, and I just have the extras folded up in here so that I can make another row and have plenty of storage. The last thing I want to mention is this little trash can. I use the side of my car door for my trash can, and it always makes my car nasty. So do yourself a favor, get one of these little cereal containers, and they have so many of these little bags at the dollar stores that you can just keep at the bottom, and then anytime your little bag is full, you can pull it out, throw it in the trash, and you know right where your extra bags are, and they even come scented. So keep an eye out for those, and that will keep your trash inside your car totally under control. What are some of the areas you struggle with in your car, or what's something else you have difficulty with? Leave me a comment below. As you know, I love reading your comments and I try and get through all of them. And oftentimes a lot of you have the same questions or concerns, and it allows me to put together content that answers your questions specifically. I am trying to post twice a week, so please make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will alert you when there's a new video, but also subscribing is what allows YouTube to customize that content that's being delivered to you. So make sure you click that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.